Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I have got something exciting to talk about. The first software update of 2024 for Samsung Galaxy S23 series. And I am a user of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is Panama variant. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the latest software update on your Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. But before I dive in, make sure you hit the subscriber button and ring the notification bell so that you can never miss out on the latest tech updates. Now, let's get started. First things first. Let's talk about the benefits of a new software update. Samsung has listened to the user feedback and worked hard to enhance the overall performance, security, and user experience on Galaxy S23 Ultra. But this January software update doesn't contain any new feature of Galaxy S24 Ultra. S24 Ultra's many new features like Galaxy AI will come to Samsung Galaxy S23 series within next 2 or 3 months. Now, let me show you how to check and download the update. To download the update, you need to go to Settings. Then scroll down, go to Software Update and tap Download and Install. Yes, here it is. A new software update is waiting on your phone. And this software update doesn't contain any new feature. It only contains monthly security patch, bug fix, and minor improvements. The One UI version will remain on 6.0. The size of this update is 411 megabytes. Security patch level will be 1 January 2024. Now I am on a stable 4G connection and I am tapping download now. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to, less than 1 minute. Let me tell you few quick tips to ensure a smooth update process. Firstly, backup all of your important data to avoid any data loss during the update. Secondly, clear some spaces on your device to make room for new features. Also, make sure your phone has over 50% charge before the start of software installation process. And lastly, but very important, I am tapping install now. To ensure a smooth and trouble-free software update, it's advisable to perform updates in a cool environment. Software updates often require the phone's processor to work intensively, which can generate heat. If the phone is already running hot or exposed to high temperature, the update process can create many problems. Overheating can not only cause discomfort for the user but may also damage internal components of the phone. So, maintaining a normal room temperature helps ensure the smooth and successful installation of the update. I am now waiting for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, your phone will restart automatically. Okay, I think if you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you are already aware of what will happen next. So, this is it. This is how you update your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2024 with Android 14 One UI 6. Samsung continues to impress their users with commitment to deliver cutting-edge feature and improvements. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.